Hello friends, welcome to Interior Zone. Friends, in this channel you will get the best home interior design ideas and tips to make your home more beautiful and stylish because the home is absolutely incomplete with the latest interior design. So I regularly upload the video on this channel based on interior designs for our living room, bedrooms, kitchen, bathrooms and many more related to home interior. So please like and share my videos and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So in this video we're going to see about the beautiful wardrobe design and what are the benefits and the points to be considered before making the wardrobe. Whether you are renovating an existing bedroom or moving into a new home, a carefully planned and designed wardrobe should be high on your priority. A true investment piece, your wardrobe arrangement is definitely something that you should not cut corners, especially when it comes to the layout, interior and quality. So if you are plan to make the wardrobe because it is made once, and it is particularly true when it comes to designer wardrobes. So first you will know that where should the wardrobe would be kept, because when planning and designing your new wardrobe, study how both natural and artificial light works within the space and think about where you will place your mirror panel doors in order to optimize the light and avoid a prism effect with all your mirrors in a small space. The height of your ceiling will determine the functional layout of the interior of your wardrobe. So the designer will take the ceiling height into account when planning interior storage scheme of your wardrobe, ensuring for instance a minimum of 1000 mm hanging a space for men's shirts and planning a hang space for shorter tops below. So if there is a limited storage space available, always consider external drawer units as they will maximize the internal hanging and shelf space. There you can see in this video the beautiful wardrobe designs with different colors and shades. So when designing a wardrobe, there are many things to consider. A well designed wardrobe can make a huge difference in how your clothes are organized. Assess your needs before you start designing your wardrobe. Assigning your needs is important. Consider your lifestyle, the types of clothing you wear most often, and the occasions you typically dress. This will help you determine what type of clothing you need to store and how much space you will require to accommodate your wardrobe. Think about your lifestyles. Your wardrobe should reflect your lifestyle and the types of clothing you wear. So consider your really daily routine, the climate in your area, and the activities you participate when choosing the types of clothing you want to store in your wardrobe. Consider the layout of your room. When designing your wardrobe, it is important to consider the layout of your room. Determines where to place your wardrobe and ensure enough space to fit comfortably. Consider the position of windows, doors, and other furniture in the room and plan your wardrobe layout accordingly. This will ensure your wardrobe fits seamlessly into your room's layout. Things about the storage space. When designing your wardrobe, it is important to consider storage space. You will need enough room to store all your clothes, accessories, and shoes in a way. So consider wardrobe with shelves to accommodate different types of clothing. This will ensure that everything is stored in a way that is easy to find and access. Think about color and style. Your wardrobe should reflect your style and enhance the overall look of your room. Consider the color and style of your wardrobe and choose options that complement your existing decor. Make a careful choice before the wardrobe's colors and style will set the vibe of your decor. So you hire a professional designer. Designing a wardrobe can be complex, so it is often best to hire a professional to help. A professional modular wardrobe manufacturer can help you assess your needs, plan your storage space, choose the right materials, and incorporate your style into design. They can also help you avoid common design mistakes and ensure in wardrobes is functional, stylish, and built to last. तो दोस्तों यदि मेरी वीडियोस आपको पसंद आती है तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना